Introducing the 2023 Ford Ranger Dcab PU Wildtrak 2.0TD213 in sleek black. With a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission, this pickup is sure to impress. Loaded with comfort and tech features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth, this vehicle is perfect for any journey. Safety is a priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, with styling features like privacy glass and roof rails, you'll turn heads everywhere you go. This Ford Ranger also comes with a full health and safety check, service to manufacturer spec, and a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more info.